Here I've got ZTE Axon 9 Pro, and let me show you how to activate and use live photo feature on the following device. So at first you have to open the camera app, and now let's make a typical photo. Then you can activate live photo by tapping on its icon, which is this one. Just click here, now it's active, and if you'll grab a photo, it will detect 3 seconds before and after. And let's go to the gallery. At first let me show you this first picture, the typical one. So as you can see, it's just the frozen picture, and then here you've got 3 seconds before and after. And this is it. This is how you can activate live photo mode. If you will click on this icon, you can move it. So this is it. This is how you can smoothly and easily activate and use live photo mode. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.